Whoa, 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 I declare war on
Yeah,
love.
I'm not sure this is live or not while we're high in the air on the plane.
Finally, I'm burning the pages and I declare a war on love.
We've arrived at Orlando International Airport, and the next 5 days we're going to be spending here for the next vlog of the travel series. It should be good.
Kept denying the sound of the sirens, so it's not fair to just blame you.
Here I am again, we're at Orlando, Florida, where we can shove the Libby photo and the test photo while we're there. I'm very excited about this.
Look what I got that you can't get in Australia. Nobody lay a finger on my butterfinger.
Eating the butterfinger in the USA. I want the Libby photo, and also, that's The Simpsons. You know that Nexman hates The Simpsons. I might as well have some Snickers.
Finally doing something here that's not just sleeping in till 2 o'clock in the afternoon in Orlando. We're at Disney Springs. It is a place full of random attractions and shops that are pretty cool, but also slightly unnecessary. I'm gonna be honest. Disney Springs. That was overrated.